Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and in today's video we're going to do a click smooth scroll event with JavaScript. Alright, so because a lot of you have been asking me, hey Telmo, how can I do these like click and then you have like a smooth scroll, because I don't want to click on my navigation bar and just like go continuously down like so fast. So right, so it was Samuel. Samuel was asking about these all the time, and I don't know who else was asking, but yeah, there was a couple of guys in here asking. I think Leon was asking as well about it. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna show you guys now how you can do this. So if we go in here, we should go first of all to our main.js, to our JavaScript file, and this is going to be the bit of code for it. I'm just going to explain in here. So I'm going to put in here a comment, and I'm going to put click smooth scroll. Okay, right. So first of all, what we need to do is we're using in here jQuery. So if this is like the first video that you guys are watching, I don't know, but if it's the first video that you guys are watching, if you're going to use this kind of code, you need to make sure that you have jQuery installed on your page. So for that, you just need to go on Google and just type like jQuery CDN, and you just go, for example, to this second one and look in here, this jQuery.min. We want to use a minified version, so just copy this link in here. This will make sure that jQuery is available on your page. Just go to your index.html, whatever page you are using, and just paste it down here. Yeah, just like this. Put a script and just put the link inside, and this will make sure that jQuery is working on your page. This is just like if this is like the first video, because I've been posting this in the last few videos, but just like if it's your first time. Right, if you have jQuery installed, then we need to use this bit of code in here, which I will explain now. So in here, we are grabbing the document, like our page, and we are attaching it a click event. So we do $document, we are grabbing like all the page, and we are saying that .on, this is like a method from jQuery, and we are saying on click, we are targeting any anchor elements with a href which starts with a hashtag. So for example, in here, in our navigation bar in here, all the links in here, they should start with a hashtag. So the link should be connected to an ID. You know, for example, in here, I'm saying that the about me has a href of about me. So where is the ID about me? Look in here. I put an ID about me. That's where sorry, that's where you link it in here, about me. So this in here, it just says that you are targeting all the anchor elements, the A, with the href that starts with a hashtag, and then you do a function event, and this is all the code that you need to do inside. First of all, you put this code in here that it says event.preventDefault. What this is making is like preventing that they usually, like when you click and you go to that part, you know, like when you are jumping straight away, it doesn't happen. So this bit of code just makes sure that previous code is just like erased, you know. That's why prevent default. So this is like to get rid of it. And after, you're gonna grab your HTML and body, which is like basically your page, and you're gonna do animate, and from there you're gonna do scroll top, and in here you're gonna grab the attribute href, which is what we are doing in here, and you're gonna do an offset from the top, and in here you set up the time, you know. So basically, guys, if you just like copy, you don't really have to understand like this deeply, you know. Once you really understand like JavaScript, you know, it will take you a little bit of time. Obviously, in the beginning it's going to be a bit overwhelming, like all this code. Oh my god, Telmo, I don't know exactly how this works. So I just explained a little bit how does it work. But if you just like copy this code and you paste it on your JavaScript file, it's going to work perfectly. So I just forgot to explain this part in here. This last part in here is like the time that it takes. So for example, if I refresh the page, and let me just so this is fine. Let me just if I click in here, for example, about, look, it's scrolling smoothly down, and I put it a time in here of 1000 milliseconds. This is equals to 1 second. So for example, if I put 500 and I refresh the page, look, about, now is much faster. If I put, for example, 2000 milliseconds, it's going to be like 2 seconds. Look, it's going to be slower. So if I press about, you see how much more. Now, for example, if I press skills, you see it was really, really smooth. It takes like 2 seconds to go in there. I could do the same for work. And yeah, basically now in here, you just have to play around with the time. Whichever time you think is the best for you, you know, just click. Now is 1 second. Now this is, you see, it's basically working everything like it's supposed to. So like I said, guys, don't take like this too seriously, like, oh my god, I don't understand. Like I said, you're grabbing just the document, like the whole page, and you are attaching it like a method from JQuery that will use the click. Whenever you click on these, in an element A, an anchor element with a href that starts with a hashtag, and then we are doing this function in here. I'm just going to put this. So this bit of code, this is inside. And first of all, we want to prevent the default when we click in an anchor element. After, we just grab the HTML and the body, like all the page, basically the HTML and the body, and we are doing animate, and we are grabbing it a scroll from the top, and we do it an offset, because we are doing an offset from the top, as you can see. And basically, you just have to put the time in here. Basically, if you just copy this code, look, as it is in here, all of these that I have selected, you just have to change the time in here. And it should work completely fine, you know. That's it, you know. So yeah, guys, this is like just a short tutorial, you know. If you guys have like some other kind of things that you would like to know, for example, I covered in the last video some CSS animations, you know, the hamburger menu animation. I'm covering now these smooth scroll because you guys asked, you know. If you have like something in specific that you would like me to do, you know, it could be Bootstrap, because I'm still thinking about my next tutorials, you know. You want to see more JavaScript tutorials, you want to see Bootstrap, you want to see Sass, advanced CSS, more CSS animations. I don't know, you guys tell me in the comments down below what you guys want to do next, or some WordPress. I don't know, really. Just let me know, guys. Now it's gonna be some Christmas holidays, you know. I'm gonna have a little bit more time to shoot more videos, and yeah, you know, if you guys, for example, I got an email, I'm gonna show in here quickly. I got an email from Charles, and Charles has been a very active subscriber, you know, and he just sent me an email that he was just like you know, having some problems with his portfolio website, and I'm really so happy that he was following my videos, you know. And this just like makes me really like happy that people are following my tutorials. And he followed it, and he was just like not sure about like why something was not working in there. So if you guys have any problem with the code, you know, just let me know and send me an email. I'll try to fix it for you, or just like give you some guidance, you know, because I'm here to help you guys out. And yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for this video. I hope you like this video, this tutorial. And like I said, if you want to see any more tutorials, just let me know. Subscribe to the channel if this is your first video, and I'll see you next video, guys.